Hola Amigos, we are the Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. So please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, where in the world are we?
On today's episode, we are sharing our first big adventure. Here's where we actually became a family. Aloha!
So here we are all excited to spend the next 3 weeks in Hawaii. So excited that Bryan and I forgot our suitcase in Phoenix and we had to buy swimming suits and toiletries among other things in Hawaii. Anyway, the Big Island is super interesting. The Hilo side looks like a jungle, while the Kona side looks like the moonscape. But we wanted the kids to have the full experience, so we drove and drove all around the island. We did this trip during the summer of 2018, and the Kilauea was in its peak activity while we were there. We tried to get close to the volcano to see the fireworks, but unfortunately the authorities have the whole park closed. On our island exploration efforts, we took a hike for like an hour to the green sand beach where we were like sandblasted by strong winds that just lift the sand all around you, and it seriously feels like you get sandblasted. Beautiful place though. The sand is green, emerald green, so pretty. Later, we drove through the volcanic fog to the Panahola Beach, otherwise known as the Black Sand Beach. This was as close as we got to the volcano. The Black Sand Beach has a scary surf. It's quite scary. You have to be a good swimmer to get in there. The sand is pitch black and there are turtles everywhere. It's so beautiful. We also got to explore the north side of the island around Waimea and the Parkes Ranch. Beautiful rolling hills, little volcanoes everywhere, lava tubes. It's breathtaking. Let's just say we drove and drove and drove a lot. Believe it or not, exploring the island, it takes a while. It's long drives everywhere. Of course, we didn't miss the opportunity to watch the sunset from the Mauna Kea. It was really, really spectacular. We could see the Kilauea's fog all around us. It was pretty cool. Of course, there was like a few hundred people in there also. I have the same idea. But it was beautiful nonetheless. We also got the bright idea of renting a boat to explore some of the awesome beaches from the seaside. Bryan and the kids loved it. I was terrified. Bryan got to teach us all how to drive the boat. That part was fun. The speeding through the waves, not as much fun. Not at all. Look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so. During the 3 weeks, of course, we did a lot of beach time. Kids play with the boards. But I'm gonna miss all that we had. Kids play in the sun a lot, castle building and trench digging. And oh my God, we ate so much junk food. Not even funny. Of course, the white ones in the family got sunburned. Oh God, they look like shrimps.
We're never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share.
So we have to put everyone on swimming shirts. It was quite painful for them.
We're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. You know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning.
Bryan tried to teach us some scuba diving skills. Not really successful with me. The kids love it though. Marisa is natural in this. Swimming with the turtles was as natural as, I don't know, reading. They're everywhere. So much fun to swim with them.
Okay, till the sun goes up, yeah. For a little moment, just hold me closer. I'll be okay.
Of course, there was a lot of snorkeling in here. Lots and lots of snorkeling. My sobrino Rodrigo, his family, and my sister joined us on the last week of the trip. There was a lot of beach time with them, a lot of snorkeling. We have fun with the kids. Rodrigo's little baby is so sweet. Bryan got to dust his scuba diving skills and enjoy a dive, a solo dive, that honestly scared me to death. He loved it though. He absolutely loved it. Yeah, we killed time on the beach, the kids and I, eating junk food and taking more sun, like we didn't have enough. He dived through the reef. It was just him. Kind of scary. He enjoyed it. It was beautiful. Getting in the water was easy. Coming out of the water, that was rough. He followed the current to the north, boarding the reef. And the exit point of the beach was really rough on the north side. But I'm really glad he got to scuba dive in Hawaii. That was super awesome for him. Then we took the entire family to the Mauna Kea beach at night to snorkel with the mantas. That was awesome. I mean, for them. Me? Hell no, I will not go in the water at night. You kidding me? That's the craziest thing, but I am very impressed with their bravery. Me? Yeah, call me chicken. Yep, I am a live chicken. Yep, this truly was an amazing experience for the kids. Not just the fact that they swim with these gorgeous creatures, but they're doing it at night, in the dark. I mean, Mauna Kea has these lights, but that is also open sea. I mean, there's not a nets or any sort of protection in there. Oh, I got into the water and I can hear doo-doo, Turum, 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 turum. There was a little playing, a little sunbathing. A few shenanigans here and there. Of course, followed by a little sightseeing and followed by a lot of selfies. Lots and lots of selfies. Of course, ton of ice cream and ton of ices. And ton of quality time with my sister and my kids. It was great. Yeah, selfies. Lots of selfies. Between the girls and me, there were a lot of selfies. Did I mention the avocados? Holy guacamole! They are huge in Hawaii. Never seen such a big avocados in my life. And then Bryan and I tied the knot. We got married on June 9th at the Hokulia Rocky Beach at sunset in the company of our kids, my sister, my nephew, and his family. My then boss, Stephen Edwin, married us. It was a lovely, lovely ceremony, and he and his awesome wife opened their house for us, and Bryan cooked an awesome dinner for all. It was a very, very, very beautiful night. Very lovely, full of love, full of family. I'm so glad I got to share it with the kids and my sister. And Rodrigo, of course. It was really, really cool. And this is how we join our families in this beautiful, beautiful place surrounded by nature, by family, and by good friends that we became the Roots.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.